I want to tell that the other childrens, you who are like me, who are teenagers, who have a skill. So don't hide your skill. Take it on YouTube. Tell everyone I have a skill. Like me, I have skill of English speaking. You can speak Urdu also. It's really not hard. You can do something in Urdu. Even you can post videos. Our economy mean our most of the public does not hide their skill, but it does not need to hide. You have to show everyone. You have to reveal your secret. You have to reveal your identity. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 31 December and New Year is going to come tomorrow. It is 2021. So it will happen that I'm gonna sleep in 2021 and wake up on 2022. So today with us Sir Nadeem Akhtar is here and we are gonna ask them some question about our rememberable 2021, what happened in this year and what type of change are caused in this year. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine. So in 2021, what type of corona have come? So what type of dangerous things we have faced or what happened to us?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As you know that at 21 when it started, we were totally surrounded by the diseases of corona and many other kind of problems. As you know that government was facing a lot of problems in Pakistan. Everybody tried to overcome all these problems, but unfortunately corona disturbed a lot of, as all the world was disturbed, so corona also disturbed the Pakistan. It is we are fortunately not so much destruction by the corona in Pakistan, because our prime minister's policies were very good in this regard. So I would like to say that it was a very dangerous year in the history of the world, not only for Pakistan but for all the world.
As they have told that it was really dangerous for corona because coronavirus is third wave and it is known as Omicron and many of the persons are affected with it. So I want to again say that which person of you are there who haven't done their vaccination, please go and do their vaccine, complete their vaccination, because it's really harmful. If you are affected, you can't be saved. It's very hard. So now I want to ask, in 2021, because of coronavirus, what types of phases we have faced in education?
As you know, in these 365 days, nearly half of the days institutions were closed. People were facing a lot of problems because of corona, and people were also trying to overcome all these problems. But the most effective part of the world that was destroyed by this disease, it was children and schools and education. So I would like to say that education was totally disturbed by corona, and children were so effective by this kind of corona and other diseases, and in all the year it was a problem for the children. They were surrounded by the diseases. They have to live in the homes. They were not able to play even in the playgrounds. So now when the corona has gone a little bit, we are feeling danger. We are not totally satisfied or secured that we sent our children outside the home, because now it is also threat for the Omicron, and maybe the world is going to close again for a time. But we are praying to God that Pakistan may save from this kind of disease.
But I'm going to say one more thing. We are going to remember this year so much. Why? Because in this year children see full marks, 1100, 505. But in centuries in Pakistan it have never happened. They have received full marks. It is about 498, I think so. This is world record of Pakistan. But 505, it was imaginable because only 4 papers were attended and 3 was left shut. Because now in this time I'm going to metric, and my time all of these 7 papers I have to return. But if it happen that 505 full marks, but when I see in a newspaper that a person Total are 505 marks. A person received 510 marks. Wasn't it funny? So now I want to talk about the economy of Pakistan. It is also damaged so much. So what do you want to say about economy of Pakistan?
As you know, when the government came into power, PTI, our Prime Minister and their team decided to overcome all the problems of Pakistan, because Pakistan was already surrounded by these kind of problems, by the theft government of the PML and PPP. And our Prime Minister slogan that he want to finish the corruption from Pakistan, it was also a good step, but it was Corona, and Corona disturbed all the world, and our economy was definitely our economy was also disturbed. But as in my opinion, our government was succeeded to overcome all these problems as compared to the world. We were very successful to overcome our problems, but no doubt there is a lot of unemployment. There is a lot of problems economically. Peoples were jobless, and they are not able to even handle their little business. Lot of business have finished in the market. It is why now we are praying to God that may not be it happened that we have to face again this kind of disease, and so that we can build our economy again. And our Prime Minister is also trying to make the economy better, and their policies are good, but unfortunately this is the season of diseases, this is the season of destruction. So we are facing, and our Prime Minister is also facing, but our policies, inshallah, we will cover it very soon.
May Allah helps us to finish this Omicron and other coronavirus, because this year is it's also memorable, but some of the days or some of the weeks, some of the months are gone like that we can't even think, because many of the person lost their dads, lost their children, lost their others, and this is very harmful for them, and really they can't feel it, because they say if they have lived apart, they grow up, but it doesn't mean that you have grown, you live apart. So I want to say that we will remember this 2021. So in 2022, what are you going to do? Please tell your ideas in the comments. So in 2022, what are your ideas that you will do in 2022?
We are expecting that 2022 will be a good year for the Pakistan and as all over the world. So we have best wishes for the 2022, and inshallah we will overcome all of our problems. And I, as I am personally saying, that I have make an idea that I would like to help the people who have left the schools and colleges. They will come to education again, and because they will get education, they can change the world.
What do you like to say about my channel Life Aim and my efforts?
Yeah, I will like to appreciate you, especially that you are a very teenage person and you are running a channel, and I always appreciate your videos because they are very good. They are always on the topic, just like you are going to start a program on the 2022. It is a good initiative, and I would like to appreciate your channel and yourself too.
Thank you. So I want to tell that the other children, you who are like me, who are teenagers, who have a skill, so don't hide your skill. Take it on YouTube. Tell everyone I have a skill. Like me, I have skill of English speaking. You can speak Urdu also. It's really not hard. You can do something in Urdu. Even you can post videos. Our economy, our most of the public, does not hide their skill. But it does not need to hide. You have to show everyone. You have to reveal your secret. You have to reveal your identity. So see you next time with a new video, and Happy New Year. Thank you.